Okay, so with scale drawings, a scale is the ratio of the size of the model to its actual size. So sometimes people want to make models of certain buildings. One of my favorite hobbies is Lego, and they do this with almost everything. Okay, they want to make a model of the Empire State Building. Well, you can't build the actual size. You have to make it much smaller so that it will fit in your house or on a shelf. Okay, so that's what a scale is. A scale is a ratio, and it is the size of the model and remember, ratios can be written three ways, but the way that we use the most is as a fraction. So this is a fraction. The size of the model over the actual size. So we can say that a room in a house, the actual size can be 100 feet, but for the model, it's 10 inches. Okay, that is a scale. And what they'll do in a word problem is they'll say 10 inches represents 100 feet. Something like that. Sometimes they'll put an equal sign. They can word it different ways. Okay? A scale, back to the notes, a scale can have the same units or different units. Like this, I had different units, inches and feet, but you could use the same. Like if I said 1 foot equals 100 feet. Okay? You can do that. You can use a scale to find a missing measure. Sorry, I misspelled missing. Okay, and that is where proportions come in. You can use a scale to find a missing measure on the model or on the actual object. Simply set up and solve a proportion. So for this example up here, let's say that this is the scale, 10 inches over 100 feet, and I know that this room that I want to make a model of is 74 feet. And I want to know how many inches I should make the model. So I would put an X there, and then there's my proportion. I would just solve it. Okay? So that's another way that we can use proportions for another type of problem.